इफ़ आई शो माई घर की रेप्यूटेशन कम हो जाएगी। घर की रेप्यूटेशन यहाँ डालने को किसने कहा था यार। मुझे डेथ बेड पे ना वो नहीं सोचना है कि मैंने काश डिफरेंटली कर लिया होता, तो मैं यही डिफरेंटली करके जाऊँगी कि डेथ बेड पे मैं चैन से मर सकूँगी। यार कर लिया है, अब मरो।
वापस से
Hello everyone, this is Sheena and today for E-Times exclusive Catch Up with the Stars we have Urfi with us.
Thank you.
Hello Urfi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, you look lovely and Urfi is someone who is, obviously everybody knows about her. She is a viral sensation. She's the most trending celebrity on social media. So Urfi, before we obviously get into the other segments, I would want to know from you, what is the secret of becoming this viral trending sensation of the social media?
I don't know the secret, I swear. बस मुझे इतना पता था, whenever I used to see celebrities roaming here and there and being papped and being clicked or whatever, I used to see them and I used to feel like, why are they just dressed so normally? Why are they not screaming fashion? Mm-hmm. If I knew I had cameras behind me 24/7, I would scream fashion. Like, I would tell the world that I love fashion. Why aren't these people doing the same? Why only for red carpet? So I just decided every day is red carpet day. That's all.
I love that when Urfi says every day is red carpet. So Urfi, tell me, every day I'm sure, every day we see your reels and every day we see on various paparazzi's pages that it's all about Urfi. So how does your day look like? Like, is this something which is, you know in your head that today I'm going to get out and wear this and this is going to be my outfit for the day? Or is it just, this is how you are and whenever you go out you get papped and...
I am like this. Even if you see all my sisters, even if you see my pictures from way back, you will realize that I always dress up nicely. It's in my genes. If you look at my mother, my sisters, we don't get out of the house just like that. We always get out very nicely, but with these looks, it takes me weeks to plan them. It takes me weeks to plan and execute my outfits and the hair, makeup, everything. It's not like I just get out like that, looking fabulous. I work hard on this.
But tell me something, this is a very interesting point where you say that you take weeks to plan these outfits. Do you have sort of a team that helps you plan this, or you're the total brain behind all of this?
No, I have a team. It's all a teamwork. अकेला तो शेर भी कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. आपको चाहिए टीम चाहिए यार. So I have my stylist, I have someone who stitches for me, I have 2-3 people there with to help me design. Mostly it's my idea, so I also appreciate someone else getting the ideas. So it's a teamwork.
So Urfi, if you can kind of summarize your journey and tell us कि उर्फी जावेद कौन थी. अभी जो है हम सबको पता है, but उर्फी जावेद कौन थी, कहाँ से she got this idea कि मुझे मुंबई जाना है, मुझे बॉलीवुड में ट्राई करना है, मुझे एक्टिंग ट्राई करनी है, ऑडिशंस करने हैं, कहाँ से वो बिग बॉस में आई और फिर अब तो we know who you are.
I was a very underconfident child who always wanted to make it big. मुझे बचपन में इतना पता था कि I'll be very famous. मुझे बचपन से ही पता था. I didn't know how, but I knew it. I didn't even know Yes, I knew it. I didn't even know what I want to do and how will it happen because my family was very conservative. So when I left my house, I thought I was not confident enough. So I joined a call center. But then somehow the fate भी बोल सकते हैं. मुझे ना यहाँ पे कॉल आया एक जॉब इंटरव्यू का. सो आई केम हियर. मैं एक फ्रेंड के यहाँ रुक गई फ्री में. मैं थी जॉब वो मिली नहीं, तो मैंने कहा यार आए तो एक ट्राई तो मार के जाते हैं. 1 महीना है, नहीं तो दिल में वो रह जाएगा. नहीं हुआ. तो 1 महीने से ट्राई मारते 2 हो गया, 3 महीना हो गया. फिर मैंने कहा यही करते हैं. वैसे भी वहाँ कॉल सेंटर में क्या ही पैसा मिल रहा था, बट फिर मुझे धीरे धीरे थोड़ा बहुत छोटा मोटा काम मिलता गया. एंड I was always very optimistic about my future कि आज नहीं तो कल. बहुत phases भी ऐसे आए. I was completely depressed. I was suicidal कि काम नहीं मिल रहा है, पैसे नहीं है. I was literally on road. मेरे पास मतलब बस से ट्रैवल करने के पैसे नहीं थे. बट फिर एक चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में थी कि ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. I didn't have the option of going back. I didn't. So either this or nothing. So that's maybe मजबूरी ने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचा दिया, I would say.
फिर slowly you got into, you know, that scene where obviously you went into Big Boss and then everything.
वो भी बाई चांस था, हो गया. And I didn't know, मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि बिग बॉस के बाद कुछ ऐसा होगा. You can't think all these things. They have to happen at their own time. ऐसे देखा जाए तो मैं इंडस्ट्री में 8 साल से हूँ. मुझे आज तक मैंने कोई रिकग्नाइजेबल काम नहीं किया है, मुझे मिला ही नहीं है. No one knows how I act because maybe it was not meant to happen and everything happened to shape me as a person, who I am.
Tell me something, you know, fashion is something that you, you know, stand strongly for. But obviously when you do something different, which is different for the audiences, there's a lot of, you know, backlash that you also receive, talking about trolls. And we know that you've received a lot of them. So how do you as Urfi look at these trollers and, you know, react to such trolls?
If I would have reacted to them, I wouldn't be sitting here.
Absolutely.
I would be at my home crying in my t-shirt. I don't want that. I don't give a fuck about them, not at all. Like, I mean, I don't know you. Why would I care about you? इंटरनेट नहीं हो गया है, 1920s का ससुराल हो गया है, जिसको देखो ताने मार रहा है, ताने ही मारे जा रहा है. क्या भाई, क्यों? I mean, क्या लगती हूँ मैं तुम्हारी? क्या दिक्कत है तुम्हें? मुझे कपड़े पहनना सिखा रहे हो यार? अपने घर पे सिखाओ, अपने लोगों को सिखाओ. मेरी मम्मी तक को मैसेजेस चले जाते हैं कि आपकी बेटी ये कर रही है, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. अरे तुम अपने घर पे अपनी चड्ढी बनियाइन देखो ना, तुम्हें दूसरों की चड्ढी बनियाइन से क्या मतलब है यार?
So how does your mom or your sisters react to this? When people get on their nerves, कि, you know, ये ऐसे कर रही है आपकी बेटी.
My elder sister Urusa, she gets a bit like, oh my god. But all my other siblings, my mom, they're pretty chilled out, man. They're like, they're also like me. Like, they tell me, don't give any fucks, and I'm like, never. So they're also chill with it.
But tell me something, Urfi, were you always this rebel कि मुझे हमेशा, you know, status quo के, you know, against ही करना है, कुछ opposite ही करना है, मुझे वो ही same flow में नहीं जाना है life में?
मेरी ऐसी सोच नहीं है कि मुझे opposite करना है. मुझे वो करना है जो मैं चाहती हूँ. If that you seem as opposite or rebellious, it's not my problem. I do me. That's it.
Oh my God, you look like someone, you know, you sound like someone, and of course because I'm sitting with you, you give me those vibes of, you know, feminism. You give me those vibes, you give me very much feministic vibes, and you know, self-confidence is something which it just oozes out of your personality because I'm sitting right next to you, so I can feel that. So tell me something, talking about your past, you know, were you always like this as a child as well, that you were always confident about whatever you did was fine, or did it take you that time to reach this phase in life?
I was a fucked up child, okay? I was very underconfident, very shy. I was the shortest girl in my class and I had literally no boobs, no eyes, so no guy would like me. I still don't have them. But still, like, I was very underconfident, very underconfident. When I came to Mumbai also, मैं ऐसे डरी semi audition पे जाती थी. Then I just started gaining some attention on Instagram because my dressing sense was always different. So then people started commenting shit and, you know, I don't know, sometimes I tried changing myself, but then also I was always like, this is not me. Then just, you know, it was a process, it was a journey that I just stopped giving attention to them and I stopped feeling also.
Do you also believe, Urfi, that, you know, there's two things. There's a publicity is like, one is positive publicity and one is negative publicity. We all know about that. And there are some schools of thought that say that, you know, any kind of publicity is publicity. What are your thoughts on that? You know, and people saying कि negative light में ही हमेशा आना है या positive light में, आपकी क्या सोच है? You know, what is it that you think about yourself when you portray yourself, you know, on, say, social media or at the public platforms?
देखो, मैं तो पॉजिटिव के बारे में कुछ बोल नहीं सकती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे तो सिर्फ नेगेटिव ही आता है. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ कि मुझे कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं चाहिए. मुझे लाइट चाहिए, मेरी सेल्फी अच्छी आ जाएगी. जस्ट गिव मी लाइट. I don't care if it's positive, negative. Two negatives make a positive. Absolutely. A lot of negatives make a lot of positives.
Absolutely.
So that's it.
I think what you just said made a lot of sense कि negativity जितनी मर्जी देते जाओ एक ना एक दिन positive बनी जाती है.
हाँ वो प्लस कर करके पॉजिटिव हो
That is why, of course, you know, you're loved by so many as well. People look forward to your looks, and you know there are paps running behind you everywhere. Now tell me something. You know, when you open your Instagram, I'm sure आपको कितने सारे तो DM आते होंगे, ये क्या पहना है, ये क्यों पहना है. So on the top of your head, like when you wake up in the morning, I want to understand your thought process. How do you look at these things? You know, do you get like, अच्छा इसने ये लिखा था शायद, you know, एक भी thought you give to it कि शायद ये बंदा कुछ बोल रहा था, maybe it might make sense to
वो बंदा जो अपने घर में अपने बीवी बच्चों से परेशान होके इंटरनेट पे उस लड़की को बता रहा है कि उसे क्या पहनना चाहिए जिससे उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है, मैं उसके थॉट पे ध्यान दूंगी. हाँ, जिसकी लाइफ पे कोई खुद ध्यान नहीं दे रहा, उसके बच्चे, उसकी माँ, उसकी बीवी उस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रही, मैं क्यों उस पर ध्यान दूँ? नो नो नो, नेवर. I just wake up feeling fabulous, amazing. I just sip my tea which says that don't give a f***. That's all.
That's amazing. I'm sure there are a lot of girls who are watching you today would be, you know, taking this away from this interview that, you know, you have to ooze confidence for your own self. Nobody is going to come up to you and say that, Urfi, aaj khadi ho jao, you are fabulous, you're good looking, you're pretty. Nobody is going to come and do that.
Even if you're not pretty good looking, these are just superficial words. Just be who the f*** you are. Own it, man, whoever you are. Whatever you feel from inside, bring it to the outside. Don't, लोग तो बोलते ही रहेंगे और कभी शांत नहीं होंगे.
Absolutely. Now tell me something, you know, talking about Big Boss and the fame, you know, came with Big Boss, and then post that, of course, you've become an internet sensation that I already mentioned. So how do you look at your future, you know, or maybe where do you look at yourself in the next 10 years?
I just look at tomorrow कि मुझे कल क्या पहनना है. मुझे नहीं पता 10 साल का तो कोई कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकता यार. मैं कल मर जाऊँ, कोई और कुछ हो जाए. What if my thought process change? Suddenly I don't want to wear nice clothes. I want to wear t-shirts and jeans. You know, people keep changing every day. So I can't say for certainty who I want to be in 10 years. I don't know who I want to be tomorrow.
But you know, why I asked you this question is because right now, you know, we see there's a song that you did, Punjabi song, which is absolutely amazing. You went to Chandigarh, we saw your BTS and everything. And is it something that you're planning for sort of your future, that I want to get into Bollywood, or I want to do music videos, or I want to just stick to my fashion? Or, you know, how do you see your career going?
Of course, I came here to become an actress. I want to act. I love acting. It's my passion, and I also love fashion. पर यार पैसे तो कमाने हैं ना, तो म्यूजिक वीडियो तो करने पड़ेंगे यार. घर तो चलाना है यार, इसके लिए भी पैसे लगते हैं. तो क्या करूँ? So whatever good work that I'm getting, I'll not say no to it. It's acting, music video, whatever.
Now we are going to play a very quick game with you. So I have a few pictures of Urfi from her Instagram handle. I'm going to show her the pictures, and she has to either recaption it or tell me what you were thinking when this picture was getting clicked.
I don't think, I don't think that.
No, so it's like you have to caption your own picture.
Okay.
So the first one is this.
Oh God. Oh my God. I don't know. I wanted to have, you know what? I am speechless looking at this picture. Caption करना है ना?
या फिर बताना है कि what you were thinking. It can be any.
ऊपर वाला जब भी देता छप्पर फाड़ के. कुछ ज़्यादा ही छप्पर भर गए.
Okay. This one.
I don't know. चाय पीनी है तो छन्नी से तो छाननी ही पड़ेगी.
This one.
Oh, I think this is hot. I feel very sexy and confident in it. I would just say, you know, I don't know, like, f*** off you guys over there. I look hot, I look amazing, you can f*** off. That would be the caption. Just f*** off. That's it, f*** off.
Is that your favorite word?
Yeah, I use that a lot, but there are other words also. So I can't really differentiate. All of them are my babies, so yeah.
This one.
Oh. After 4 drinks, just don't talk to me, okay? I'm 5'4" drinks down. Just let me do whatever the fuck I want. Stay away. That's that.
This one.
Oh, this तो I already captioned यार. मतलब ये तो I think this was too close, man. ये अंदाज अपना अपना का सीन था. So someone sent me this, and I'm like, actually, yeah, Robert is my fashion inspiration.
So Urfi, you know, generally girls when they want to wear certain kind of clothes or they want to do certain things, especially जो लड़कियाँ छोटे शहरों से बड़े शहर आती हैं, you know, उनको हमेशा बोला जाता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, या फिर एक लड़की अपनी चॉइस का कुछ भी करना चाहती है, they always say, you know, पेरेंट्स या फिर जो भी फैमिली वाले होते बोलते हैं ये आप कैसे कर सकते हो, you know, लोग क्या कहेंगे, something which is a tagline which is there with everyone. So what do you have to say about that?
I think patriarchy and religion I personally feel are all man-made. मैं नहीं मानती, ना मैं किसी religion में मानती हूँ, ना मैं patriarchy में मानती हूँ. ये सब start ही कैसे हुआ था? So it started because women were supposed to give birth. तो वो खाना बटोरने नहीं जा पाती थी जो एक caveman जो करते थे. So the men would do all the work. From there it started. But now women can do whatever the fuck they want. Also, how are my vagina, how can your reputation depend on my like if I show my घर की reputation कम हो जाएगी. घर की reputation यहाँ डालने को किसने कहा था यार, किसने कहा था? मत डालो. Fortunately my family's reputation is not here. It's not that superficial. So I just feel a girl should be, girl क्या आदमी भी यार, he or whatever should be able to do whatever the fuck they want. It's just one life. If you think about it, the concept of you know, hell and heaven, it doesn't really exist. सब यहीं पे है, तो जो करना है करो. If you're not harming anyone, if you're doing yourself, why not? And you know, बहुत से लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी, पूरी ज़िंदगी ऐसी बिता देते हैं कि मतलब जो माँ बाप ने बोला कर लिया, फिर शादी के बाद जो पति ने बोला. तो मैं वही सोचती हूँ कि वो औरतें डेथ बेड पे मरने से पहले क्या सोचती होंगी यार, कि यार काश थोड़ा डिफरेंटली कर लिया होता. मुझे डेथ बेड पे ना वो नहीं सोचना है कि मैंने काश डिफरेंटली कर लिया होता. तो मैं यही डिफरेंटली करके जाऊंगी कि डेथ बेड पे मैं चैन से मर सकूंगी. यार कर लिया है, अब मरो.
High five on that. So Urfi, because you know there's so much talks about you on social media and in news as well. Everybody knows you now. You're a household name in a way. So what is the kind of one message that you'd like to put out for everyone who watches you, everyone who knows you?
Don't let your daughters suffer. Let them be who they are. If they want to, you know, if they love fashion, let them follow fashion. If they love education, let them follow education. Get them educated. Whatever they want to be. अब पैसा कमाने का ज़रिया सिर्फ education नहीं है. There are so many ways. So just, I really hope the parents, even the teachers, become more accepting of the child as who they are. Even if your child is gay or a lesbian or they're fat or whatever, tell them to love themselves. That's all.
These days, social media has such a big, huge role to play. And you're a social media star, we can say that, of course. And we've got the opportunity to catch up with this biggest social media star today. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Welcome. Not the biggest. ठीक है, थोड़ा हुआ है, थोड़ा हुआ है.
She's just being modest. Thank you so much, Urfi.
Thank you for having me.